Hey guys, so as you guys can see, my nail broke, so I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. Wow! So it's really not that hard to repair your nails. All you need is some nail fiber, just like this. And they also have a gel form, so if you guys want to try it out, I will link it down below. So first off, I'm going to remove all the gel from my nail, and of course I'll be more extra careful with the broken area. It doesn't hurt, but I just don't want to damage my nail more from removing all the gel. So I am just taking my time to remove the gel. So after everything is removed, I am then going to use alcohol to remove all the dust. And after that, I'll be filing the top surface of my nail so that I can start with the gel application. So after cleansing my nails, I will then cut a piece of the fiber, just a small amount. You don't need that much, just enough to cover the broken area. After I measure the fiber, I will then apply the base coat first and then curing it for 1 minute. And I'm not sure why I have that line on my nail. Does anyone know what it is? Let me know what it is. So after curing for 1 minute, I am going to apply base coat again, just the half part of my nail, focusing on the broken area, and then applying the fiber, and just to make sure that it sticks before curing it. So after curing it for 1 minute, I am then going to use a thick gel just to make it stronger. So for the first layer, you don't have to make it so thick. You can just first apply a thin layer just to bond with the fiber so it doesn't go anywhere. So after curing for 1 minute, you can then apply a thicker layer. I know it doesn't look good right now, but after filing it, it will be okay. So after curing for 1 minute, you can then wipe it off with alcohol to remove that sticky layer. So after that, you can then file off your nail. You can shape it however you want, and make sure to file the surface so it doesn't have any bumps, and make sure it is smooth. After filing it, this is how it looks. I know there is some bubbles inside, but it's fine because we're gonna add on color on top. So yes. And here I am just using a cat eye gel. I didn't know what color I wanted to use, so I just picked up this color, and this is kind of transparent, I know, but it doesn't matter to me. I just wanted to use this color. Look how pretty is this color. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with cat eye nail polish at the moment. And here I'm just doing a random design. I don't know what I'm doing, but I just wanted to use this silver liner. So to finish it off, I'm going to apply a top coat, and then I'm just going to cure it for 1 minute, and we are done. So that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it and found it helpful. If it did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.